Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you there are two types of hidden sheets on Microsoft Excel. So the first one is the hide, the normal hide, and the second one is what's called very hidden sheet. So how do you access this? Typically you need the Visual Basic Editor. So there are two ways to access the Visual Basic Editor. First one is Alt 11 on Windows, but sometimes it just doesn't work because there might be some applications that interfere with your shortcut. So if it doesn't work, like in my case here, you can go to the file and then options, and we need to enable that developer option. Under the customize ribbon, you scroll down a little bit and you see there's a developer untick over there, so you need to tick that and then press OK. Then on the developer, you can go to Visual Basic, and then in here you have the list of sheets. You click one of them, and then under the visible property in here, you can toggle it to hidden or very hidden. So let's try to make it very hidden, right? So you come back to the sheet 3 here, it shows as very hidden. So what does it mean by that? You close this one, you will not be able to see the sheet there. Even if you try to unhide it, so you go to the format and then hide and unhide sheet, you'll not be able to see the option there because basically there's no hidden sheets. In contrast, if you hide it normally, like you right click on the sheet 2 right here, you just hide it, you'll be able to access the format, hide, and then unhide sheet over here. You'll see only one option there, which is sheet 2. So how do you unhide the very hidden sheet? You come back to the developer and then Visual Basic and then sheet 3, and then you just change it to visible. So why this happens? This is because sometimes developers will need an extra sheet for pre-calculations and so on. So the developer doesn't want you to see the sheet because anyway you don't need the pre-calculated sheets. So that's all I have for you today. Subscribe. Thank you.